We are going to the Canadian Auto Show today. You guys are coming with. We got F87 Maxi, Sparky M4. Both cars are kind of dirty. Can I show your calipers? Yeah. He got his calipers painted yellow. Kind of looks fire. This is what we're taking, the Tesla Model Y Performance. Thing's a bullet. Here's my shit-ass car parked by itself.
Oh my god! 20! And blues are in. Oh my god. This is that's like $60. It gets big.
Oh! 194?
From 20 bucks.
Damn.
Fucking
My 1600.
What are you gonna do with your new money?
I'm gonna pay my car insurance.
He's got the secret BMW sauce. What is it?
Dior Sauvage.
No, I'm just thinking because we just got here, so I should probably record the car.
Yeah, just do it.
Yo, David, twerk.
What are you doing?
He gambled all his money away at the car.
Yeah, well, stop playing fucking slots. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to talk much when we're inside because I think it's gonna be super loud, but we'll still see some cool stuff.
Come on!
This guy needs help.
$42!
It was definitely too loud to talk consistently inside the event. I didn't have a good enough mic to drone it all out, so I'm just gonna show a bunch of cool stuff that we saw with some voiceovers here and there. I wanna shoot it. The lineup as soon as you got in was pretty crazy. It was just a bunch of McLarens. Do you think my downpipe tune BMW is faster than these? 100%. And then there was these three just staring you right in your face. I mean, this is like, what, over $12 million in cars? I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to think.
David, it's my car. I have matching PSDs.
Holy, yo, can you unlock it?
How much is this?
Yeah, we're definitely gonna go do this.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. If I was driving that shit, I'd do better, bro.
Can you give us like the craziest ride of the day?
No. First thing is we're going to do the breakover. So we're just going to roll left a little as we go over the top. We'll go right. So we don't feel very much in here. It's a bit of an anticlimax. Just a nice gentle roll. Steps get a bit bumpy. There we go. Now the moguls. So this is going to rock us side to side. This is really going to show us that the Jeep goes where I want it to go. Then I'm going to kick back through the steering. There we go. Now we're going to go up on here. So you've got to see the angle on the screen. I'll go as high as I can get it. I got told off for going too fast over this.
Really?
Yeah. Here we go. Whoa.
Yeah, that's high.
Was it okay?
That was great. Perfect. Thank you. Actually, wait a second. This gold is crazy. Yeah, these actually look fire now. We got an NHL branded Tucson, pretty cool. And then this was an Elantra race car. I don't really know. An Infinity concept car. I don't know when this was set to kind of be like produced, but this thing looked crazy. How do you even get in it? And the back bumper also was just like wild. This was also a concept SUV. It was kind of like a truck. I think it was a tank. It was huge, but more realistic, more modern. And this was a battery-powered BRZ track car. This thing probably is insanely fast. I would love to ride that.
If I put $100 on spin again, what do I get back?
Oh, you're not gambling again,
You're not
bro.
getting the $100 back. Look on the side there.
David, call it. David, call it.
Spin again. Spin again.
The gray, push the gray thing down. That's
Stop it.
all right, sticker. Wow.
I want you to do a backflip right now.
Right here.
Do a backflip.
What?
Should I just do with this on me?
Oh, this guy's about to do a backflip. Some cool older cars. I have no idea what these are, so don't come for me in the comments. I'm sorry, I'm not well versed with this stuff. And then again with the supercars, I can appreciate them and I love them, obviously. I just don't know a ton about them. I know this is a Bugatti Chiron? I don't know. Rivac Nevera. They told me how to pronounce it. I didn't actually know that. It goes 170 kilometers an hour in reverse, I think. One of 150, 2.2 million euros. But David said, no, I look better. I think this is a concept that also looks scary fast. We saw a Lego Porsche and then this beautiful GT3 RS, which we of course filmed a skit for Max's page. If you've seen his BMW calls Porsche daddy skits, they're pretty funny. We had an argument if you would take this in white or red. I think we all agreed on white though, so it wasn't really much of an argument. This thing was really, really cool. Wide body, big turbo build. Then I got tired, so I took a seat.
Holy shit, it's actually mad comfortable. Come take a seat?
Yeah.
Like sit on my...
Oh, okay. Then we found this cop section. You could ask them some questions, learn whatever you want about traffic laws. Imagine getting chased on a snowmobile, and then these two got arrested for mewing. One of the only manual cars here was the CT4 Blackwing, and this Corvette was also gorgeous, but the wing looked kind of weird. I don't know.
Getting in at 240.
Yo, what the fuck, bro? I can't.
Every woman's ever felt like getting in your car.
Your car is not lowered, and mine is.
Yeah, but
I'm gonna put a fat photo right now of your wheel gap. Huge.
whoever gets the flip first has to buy the other one. Oh, I don't know, a fucking drink or something.
All right. Oh! I sold that.
I just got it.
Alright. There is a bottle.
You ready?
Here we go. Sure, yeah. Thank you guys are good. We'll get our stuff.
Oh, sorry, I was in the way. What?
Tell me what.
No.
Yeah, I feel like it's so fast, man.
David, what's your opinion on the auto show?
There was no Q50s or flame tunes.
Level 2.
Fucking shit.
There was no M4s either.
No M4s.
What was your opinion on the auto show?
Not many V8s. The only real V8 I saw was the Chiron, but it had 2 of them. So...
And they were playing shit music. There was no Young Boy. There was no...
no Yeet. No Yeet.
The Yeet album, that's crazy.
Honestly, I don't know.
Max, what are the thoughts on the auto show?
It was actually pretty lit.
Okay.
You can't sleep there.
Oh, baby girl. Come on.
I kind of forgot to film an outro, but here are some more amazing cars to make up for that. And make sure you're subscribed because my Pure 800 Turbo has arrived. Going on the car soon. More content coming. Later.